Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to my channel Coding Beetle. So let's follow with the tutorials with the form. Let's learn more about forms. In forms you can add drop down menus. Suppose we have seen in many places in many websites that there are a drop down box in the menu where you can drop down and select any one which you want, or which one you want to select, or which one you want to see, or anything they give. So for that we use select statement. Select, and let's give the select a name. As I said you earlier, names are very crucial for these things, as the names indicate that this is a single entity. Everything is a single entity, and with the names also you can call. When you use Java or PHP, you can call this by IDs or the names, anyone. Let's give activities, and within select we will insert options. So let's copy this option tag a few more times. We will have 4 options in our drop down box, and what could that be? What can we insert? So activity can be drawing, playing, and what? Surfing, and what else can we give? Let me think. Let it be dancing, and give the options different values of, let's give here draw, and value of play, value of surf, and value of dance. Let's save it and head back to the browser to make you understand what I did. See here, this is a drop down box. As you can see, it is here with a box. Within that there is written drawing, and here with the indication that you can see what is below this. This is the arrow key. Let's click here, and here drop down menu has appeared, and from here you can choose any one which you want. Let's surf. See, this is how the drop down box or the drop down list works. So that's all for today, and I will come back to you in my future videos. Till then, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates of the latest videos. So till then, take care.